Alright guys, I got my new amp from Speaker Exchange. It's the SPL-150 amp. Just got it in the mail. And I want to do a quick comparison to the old amp, which is from my Klispch R-115 SW. And this is not the amp made for it, but it's interchangeable. This is for the newer subwoofer that came out, the SPL-150. But from what I heard, the SPL-150 will work for the R-115 SW subwoofers as well. Smells brand new. They do give you screws as well, brand new screws. Alright, so it looks almost the same, guys. Check that out. There's the R-115 on the right and the SPL-150 on the left. Essentially, they look the same. I'm trying to look at it, see if there's any differences. I can see over here, this board here is a little bit different. They used a longer resistor here. The other one is different. This one is modified. I did put all new capacitors on it and a new resistor, and the thing still wouldn't work for me. I got no sound of it out of it. I replaced all the capacitors. It could be that my gun heated up the board too much. I mean, I don't see any damage to it, but who knows? I just gave up on it. I spent maybe 50 bucks trying to repair it in capacitors and stuff. But yeah, decided just to buy the new, and you can see the new amp board is identical to the T, lengthwise and widthwise. So this is going to be a real quick change out. You can see that this one was painted in white and this one's in gold or copper, the lettering. But other than that, everything's the same. It's got, all this is the same, everything. So yeah, let's see, does it have the LED in here? That's the only thing I was wondering, does this have the LED input switch? And I see something here, so it might, here's, oh, they give you a new LED. See that? Brand new. So yeah, it does come with the same thing as the R-115. The same input for your lead is right there. So yeah, this is an easy swap, guys. So if you need if you got a R-115 SW, which is a 15-inch subwoofer from Klispch, the SPL-150 is just the newer model. It's the 2018. This is the 2015-14. So yeah, go ahead and buy yourself an amp. It's $265 at Speaker Exchange. Actually $280 with shipping, $15 shipping. Yeah, and it's identical, guys. I don't see anything different other than this board being changed over just a little bit. Looks like they reworked it. They put the resistor off by itself. There's no capacitors. There's only like one that's like a 1/4 inch away, but it looks like it'll be safe. And they're using some kind of white silicone glue now to hold everything together, not that brown crap. So yeah, I'm gonna go and plug this in and I have myself a new working amp again. Now, let me do a close-up of this. Okay, there's the board. There's this board. These things look pretty close. This thing here is a little different. I noticed that. Here, some stuff in here looks like it's been changed out a little bit. Okay. This one has a lot of white stuff in there, a lot more so than this one did. Yeah, again, there's the top part. They're still using this black stuff here on the boards, just like they did the old one. Yeah, this board is not working. Not sure what I did wrong. I replaced all of these capacitors with really good brand ones from Nichicon. I did use a few ones that say Nichicon Muse on it. Those are a little bit nicer. But yeah, I couldn't get any sound out of this board. And when I got this board, when I got the sub, all the screws were taken out. Even the ground screw was taken out right here. I think that's the ground one. So I had to put the screws in there, and I got it to work for a split second, and then it stopped working. So yeah. But yeah, that's the SPL-150 and the R-115 SW. Exact perfect replacement. Alright guys, you can see this is an exact replacement. I just plugged in the speaker. The speaker cable is even exactly the same length. So I just plugged it all in. I'm using my old LED just because I don't want to take that part apart. And I just used the new speaker cable. And there's the new LED I'm not going to use because my old LED works. And then yeah, I'll just get the new screws and put these in. But you can see it's a perfect fit into this subwoofer. Okay, even the screws that come with it are exact same size as the old ones that were on there. And the ones I had on there were, somebody stripped them out, so I'm glad they gave me new screws. Alright, there's the R-115 SW by Klispch, and you can see the difference if I sit back compared those to the 12-inch SWIs. I got those from Costco. I got two of them. They sound really good, but I imagine this one's going to be so much lower, so much deeper bass. Let's see if this subwoofer works. So that was well worth the 280 bucks to fix the speaker. So if you guys got a R-115 SW Klispch subwoofer, don't throw it away. Just get yourself a new amp. 280 bucks shipped. Well worth it. I'll put the link in the description on where you can get this amp from Speaker Exchange. I don't get anything. I haven't got paid off them. This is just me fixing my sub. So if you want to do the same, highly recommend it.